Good morning, everybody. I'm just going to make you a video on how to submit an assignment. I'm using Shelby's Canvas account. Thank you, Shelby. All right, so this is one of the lessons that you would have completed last week. If you scroll down the bottom here, you will see a video that you would have watched. You'll see this icon here, which is what we use when we make a Google document copy. And then this one here, if you see this assignment, this is usually where we would submit an assignment. I think some of the other teachers are using a little icon that looks like an in tray, which is also where you would submit assignment. But if you're unsure, just have a look at these instructions here. So this one will say, now you try, click to make a copy. So that one will make your copy. This one here will tell you if you need to submit something or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this one to make a copy. Now, if you do click on something to make a copy of it, you will always need to make sure that you're not sharing me in on that document. So don't ever click this share, but if there isn't an assignment to submit it into, that just means that I can see in Canvas if you've interacted with the content, but it doesn't necessarily mean that I need to see what you've actually completed. That's okay. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, only if you see that other one with the how to submit the assignment. All right, so you would have come in here, you would have put your answers in here. Now what we want to do is we want to submit that assignment. So just pretend that I've actually completed this document. I'm going to change it to my name so that I can find it in my Google Drive when I go searching for it later. So Mrs. Lewis, assignment, demonstration. Okay, can't spell this morning. Okay, awesome. Okay, so that's all set up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate that. You guys won't need to do this for most of your assignments, so just skip this step. And here we're back into Canvas. All right, so here I've got my Mrs. Lewis assignment, which is going to load up. So Mrs. Lewis assignment, and in this tab, I've got my Canvas screen where I want to submit it. So what I'll do is I'll click on here because I know that Mrs. Lewis wants me to submit that assignment. And then I've got this button here which says submit. Now, sometimes you'll upload a file from your computer, so it might not be a Google Drive that you've actually completed. So you'll just choose that file and you'll find the file in your computer somewhere. Sometimes it's a Google document that I would like you to submit. So what we're going to do for this one is we're going to go into the Google Drive there. Now, it says that I can't show you this when I'm masquerading as Shelby. So what will show up here is a list of your documents in the Google Drive. All right, so you choose that one that we looked at before. So this is the one that we're looking for. You look for that file name there, Mrs. Lewis assignment demonstration. Okay, and you choose it from the list here. And then you say attach file. It'll have a button there saying attach file, and then scroll back up the top and it'll say submit. So make sure you click that submit. I'm sorry, there's no other way that I can show you this because I can't actually be Shelby because I can't submit an assignment for her. So it'll have a submit button there. And then if you've done it correctly, it will have like a blue link here to your assignment with a blue tick. And that means you've submitted it successfully. And if you're unsure, like if you think that you might have submitted the wrong document, you can actually click on that and see which one you've chosen. If you've chosen the wrong one, that's okay. Just come back down here and choose the correct one and it will update your list. And I will be able to see if you've uploaded that correctly. I'll be able to see the other file as well, which is fine and can actually be really useful if I've asked you to upload 2 files into that assignment. So don't be concerned if I've asked you to upload 2 files into that assignment. I can actually see them, so that's all good. Okay, so that's how we do it. If you've got further questions on that, please inbox me. I'm about to make another video on how to do that, so stay tuned. All right, thanks folks, and I'll see you on the video chat. Bye.